Hey guys, welcome to my kitchen. Here I am today with another Northeast Indian style pork recipe called Oma Gwran Aloo Jwng, which is a Bodo style smoked pork with potato gravy. It's a classic recipe and for sure going to be your meat potato favorite too, just like mine. And now let's check out the ingredients. Smoked pork, potatoes chopped into halves, finely chopped onions, crushed garlic cloves, crushed ginger, bay leaf, salt, turmeric powder, slit green chilies, finely chopped coriander leaves, and mustard oil. But before we proceed, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification so that you never miss an update. And now let's start cooking. Take a deep pan and heat your mustard oil. Once hot, add the bay leaf and cook it for about 30 seconds. Then add your slit green chilies, finely chopped onion, garlic paste, very little ginger paste, turmeric powder and salt. Stir them well and cook them until the onions are cooked. Now we will add our smoked pork pieces and potato halves. Open cook it for 5 minutes on a high flame, stirring every minute. Add 2 cups of water. Stir, cover and cook it for 30 to 40 minutes on a medium flame. Now take a couple of potato halves off the pot. Mash them with your ladle and put them back. This is basically to thicken the gravy. Stir, cook it for 5 minutes or until the gravy achieves your desired consistency. Finally, add your finely chopped coriander leaves. Give it a quick stir. And here you go, our Oma Gwran Aloo Jwng is ready. This delicious tender smoked pork is packed with flavors. The potatoes adds a comforting touch and the gravy is delectable. Perfect for any of your meals during the cooler months. I'm delighted the way the dish has turned out and I hope you guys will enjoy it too. So do share it with your family and friends and let me know in the comments. Until then, see you soon. This dish is really to die for.